Hello and welcome to the Section 2, NumPy Fundamentals in Python. In today's video, we will be covering Python fundamentals. What we will learn today. In first step, I will help you understand general Python fundamentals. In the second step, we will learn basic Python syntax. And in the last but not the least, we will learn all about data types. Okay, so we will cover data types. And when I say data types, I mean numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, and sets, and of course, booleans. Okay, so why Python? Python, first of all, we will have a general overview of Python programming, and this part is meant for people who have some programming experience. If you have a Python experience, then feel free to go immediately to NumPy section. Python is a widely used high-level programming language for general-purpose programming. Apart from being open-source programming language, Python is a great object-oriented, interpreted, and interactive programming language. Python combines remarkable power with very clear syntax, and it's a #1 language today for machine learning. When we talk about machine learning is simply making a computer perform a task without explicitly programming it. In today's world, every system that does well has a machine learning algorithm at its heart. Take, for example, Google search engine, Amazon product recommendations, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. All these systems have machine learning algorithms embedded in their systems in one form or another. They're efficiently utilizing data collected from various channels, which helps them get a bigger picture of what they are doing and what they should do. So Python, for example, is also usable as an extension language for applications written in other languages that need easy-to-use scripting automation interfaces. There are interfaces to many system calls and libraries, as well as to various windowing systems. New built-in modules are easily written in C or C# or other languages depending on the chosen implementation. So Python is widely considered as the preferred language for teaching and learning machine learning. Simple reasons are it's simple to learn. So few reasons are it's simple to learn. As compared to C, C#, and Java, the syntax is simpler, and Python also consists of a lot of code libraries for ease of use. Though it's slower than some of the other languages, the data handling capacity is great. It's open source, so Python along with R is gaining momentum and popularity in the analytics domain since both of these languages are open source, and capability of interacting with almost all the third-party languages and platforms.